We'll see how well this does. Hopefully the camera won't vibrate too much or blow away. Take a look here at the final. And Chester traffic, Champ 059 taking the active 17 Chester. Get the line right back up here. Alright, up and away. Pull back stick, forward stick, accelerate to liftoff speed, relax the pressure, a little bit of back pressure, and up and away. Climbing out at 60, we'll pull the nose up a little more. We can give it just, trim's actually about right. It's a very, very light amount of right rudder. What I'm noticing, you guys, is that some of you are just putting it in too much, and then you're kind of going back and forth, just kind of wandering, trying to find the right amount of rudder pressure. Climbs real nice solo, so here, we'll get it at 60 here, we're doing 600 feet per minute. We got a little bit higher density altitude. Look at that. Nice formation of clouds right there, but we're going to skip right around it. We kind of have this little spot where we're just kind of carved out. We're 900 feet. Very, very light right rudder as I got left stick climbing in. Chester traffic, Champ on a left crosswind for 17 Chester. Got some wispies here. Keep it climbing up. Chester traffic, Champ's on a left downwind 17 Chester. Visibility is a little lower today. We'll keep it coming up here. It says 2800, I don't believe that. But we're fine because we can see right through. Alright, bring the power down. As we bring the power down, it's a little bit of left rudder. Bring it down to 2000, 1900. Midfield. Hopefully that's showing up good. Hopefully that camera's not vibrating like crazy. We'll pull our carburetor heat. And we'll start slowing down. We'll get it down to 1400 RPM. Oh, all kinds of little wispies right here. Here we can, now when you're solo, you can just go full aft trim. That's what I did, just full aft trim. There's no abrupt movements on the pitch. We're not oscillating or porpoising. I don't know if there's really a difference between that word. We're down at 70 on base. Chester traffic, Champs on left base 17 Chester. He's on our right rudder, a little heavy there. We'll go ahead and take it to idle here. Oh, it's humid today. And we'll make our left turn here for final. Chester traffic, Champ 059. Final for 17 Chester. Alright, now we'll start slowing her down to that 60. We are at idle. So when you're solo, this takes a fair amount of back pressure, even with the trim all the way back, just to hold that 60. It glides even better when you're solo, but I think it's easier to land, so. And we're just bringing that right in. Start our round out, easing it, till we're all the way back and the stick's all the way in my, boop, and we're right there on the numbers. So, that's kind of what I'm shooting for, guys. And we do that, see, I'm only adding a little bit of brake pressure here, just to make this turn off. There wasn't much braking there at all. And Chester, Champ's clearly active. So let's go try that again. So we've got carb heat in. Remember, this is the procedure. Excuse me, mixture's out. 3/4 of an inch. Throttle back a little bit. Bring our trim up to where we want it. If you get distracted too much looking up here, don't do it. Just wait till the end. Don't want you to veer off and hit something or someone. The most important really is to make sure you get the carb heat off and the mixture out. We need to keep those plugs clean. I'll try it again, see if we get a lot of wispies. There's a lot of wispies up there. When I say wispies, I mean little wispy clouds. You look from here and it looks pretty dang clear. Alright, so trim is good. Carb heat is in, fuel's on, temperature's good, pressure's good. Everything else looks good, door's still locked. Chester traffic, Champ 059, taking the active 17, close left traffic, Chester. And mixture back in. Alright, so this one we're going to do one of these soft field takeoffs I showed before. So we're going to go full aft stick. Power it full. And then we're just going to release the back pressure. I'm serious when I say release the back pressure, right? The airplane is going to fly on its own. I just give it a little bit more and off it goes. I'm watching the airspeed there, and it's lifting off at like 50 or so, but it's so little. And the idea, now we'll get this to 60. The idea we're trying to get with that is with the oleos, as we talked about, we can't halfway load the oleos. They have to be either totally loaded up or not loaded at all. So if we do that soft field style takeoff, we're not loading up the oleos and the airplane's just kind of gingerly lifting off. So here we go, guys. We're doing a nice forward slip. We're going to pick the nose up just a tad. I hate saying pick the nose up. We just got too much of a dive there. Let's actually do a wheel landing there. Slowing it back down to our 60 here. Holding it off. We'll add in a little bit of power here. Squeaky squeak. Keep her steady. Power off. Stick forward.